Most people get airline credit cards wrong by focusing only on points. They forget to consider perks, flexibility, and hidden fees. The Emirates MBD Skyward Signature Credit Card is designed for frequent travelers who want to earn Skyward's miles while enjoying premium benefits. Today, I'll share my first-hand experience and what to know before applying. The main attraction of this card is its Skyward's miles earning potential. You earn 2 miles for every AD1 spent locally, and 3 miles for every AD1 spent internationally. If you spend around AD 10,000 a month on travel and dining, you could earn enough miles for a free business class ticket in a year. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how quickly miles add up with everyday spending. The card also offers priority airport benefits, including access to select lounges, priority check-in, and extra baggage allowance. This is where it really stands out compared to standard credit cards. If you travel frequently, these perks can save you hours and reduce stress during trips. Additionally, the card comes with comprehensive travel insurance and purchase protection. This covers things like flight delays, lost baggage, and online purchases, which is often overlooked. Most people get this wrong by focusing on miles alone. They forget the hidden value of insurance and convenience perks. The annual fee is AD 1,000, which can be high for casual travelers. But if you use the card for regular travel and dining, the rewards and benefits can easily offset the fee. Keep in mind that points expire after a certain period, so redemption strategy is key. In conclusion, the Emirates MBD Skyward Signature Credit Card is ideal for travelers who want a high-mileage card with premium perks and protections. Most people get this wrong by overlooking the insurance and convenience benefits, but when used strategically, it offers significant value. Subscribe for more credit card insights and tips to maximize travel rewards efficiently.